How to get an Adobe student free trial. Adobe offers a 7-day free trial of the Creative Cloud All Apps plan for students, providing access to over 20 applications like Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, and After Effects. The trial includes 100 gigabytes of cloud storage, Adobe fonts, and portfolio access. Step 1. Visit the Adobe Student page. Go to the Adobe Creative Cloud for Students page. Look for the Start Free Trial button. Step 2. Choose your subscription plan. Select the annual plan, paid monthly, or annual plan, prepaid option. Note that you won't be charged during the 7-day free trial. Step 3. Create an Adobe account. Enter your student email address to create an account. If you already have an Adobe account, simply log in. Step 4. Verify your student status. Adobe may ask for proof of student enrollment. Provide a school-issued email address, student ID, or enrollment document. Step 5. Enter payment information. Input a valid credit or debit card to activate the trial. Your card won't be charged during the free trial, but the subscription auto-renews after 7 days. Step 6. Start using Adobe Creative Cloud. Once activated, download and install any Adobe Creative Cloud apps. Enjoy access to tools for graphic design, video editing, photography, and web development. Step 7. Cancel if needed. To avoid charges, cancel before the 7-day trial ends. Log into your Adobe account, go to Manage Plan, and select Cancel Subscription. Alternative discount for students. If you continue, students receive over 60% off the regular Adobe subscription price. The discount lasts as long as you're a student with periodic re-verification. By following these steps, students can explore Adobe's Creative Cloud for free and decide if it meets their academic and creative needs.